So hi guys, in this video I will be talking about getting started with web development. So we'll discuss how to set up your VS Code, install extensions that are necessary that will help us develop better. We'll also learn how to open a folder, create a file. Then in the next video we'll create our first website. So let's go getting started. So you should have a Visual Studio Code installed on your computer right about now. So we'll go ahead and open up the Visual Studio Code. But before that, it is always good to create a folder where you will save all your projects or all the files you'll be creating in this particular class. So in order to do that, we can right click and say create folder. So I'll call it summer web dev. So now I can right click on this and say open with code. If this option is not available for you, you don't need to panic. This is because during the installation of VS Code you did not check some boxes, but the point is you should know where you've created this particular folder. So now I'll go to the start menu and I'll just type VS Code and open. So VS Code opens up. So I will open a folder in the file and open the folder. So I will go to desktop, that is where my folder I created. I'll select that folder and open. So this is the folder I created on my desktop. So we can get extensions in here. So we'll be installing extensions like live server. Just type out live server and you see this. I already have mine installed. Then just scroll down a little bit, you install live preview. As you can see, I already have this installed. That is why it is saying uninstall. Then we can have a code formatter called Prettier. So I already have this installed in my computer. So let me zoom out a little bit. So I can click on this extensions button, select extension settings, and type in format. So when you type in format, you will get this list down here. So you see editor, format, and save. Check this box so that once you save a file, Prettier will format this file for you. It will give our text whatsoever we've edited. It will give our code a better view. So I'll go close up the other tabs and then we are good to go.